Hello, everyone. Thank you, Denise, for the introduction. I'm Jyotsna. I'm the CEO and co-founder for SpaceSense. So imagine what if the data from space can help us better change with the climate, and it would help our farmers to better irrigate our fields without too much water, but get the same yields. And at the same time, help our insurance companies protect our farmers better in the case of floods or drought, and at the same time also help our governments better plan their food security, but at the same time also protect their farmers. This is all today very much possible thanks to thousands and hundreds of petabytes of data that we are collecting every single day. To give you a to put context around it, it is the same amount of imagery in all of Instagram since the day Instagram started, and that's huge amount of data. And it today, because of companies like SpaceX, since the last 5 to 10 years, the satellite imagery that we get today is much more affordable and more easily available. And at the same time, we are seeing more new types of sensors that are coming up, which are opening up capabilities, but also what use cases we can be used to solve in agriculture, environmental monitoring, climate change, and much more. And that is why it is much more important for this technology to be actually used today. And it can help, how much it can help with agriculture. But then the problem we saw was, although with the huge amount of promise this technology comes, the ability to use it is still very complicated because we need to use big data, AI, to actually extract information from this technology. And it is still an expertise which is extremely hard to find. And even when you do, it is quite expensive to make it very affordable and practical in most business cases. And that is why we started SpaceSense, to make this technology meaningful to everyone. So we built a solution to make satellite imagery accessible to everyone by building a platform that allows non-experts in organizations to create innovative solutions using satellite imagery and machine learning, and then that can be operationalized with a very simple click and to make real business impact. And to give you a bit of a small example, an agriculture company that wants to use satellite data to build a solution for field level carbon budget modeling to help automate the carbon credit value chain. This is how they would do it today. They would need a huge army of a team of experts with agronomy expertise, data scientists, earth observation experts to only even look at what is the best approach, what works. And when they have something that works, it would take a whole software development team and ML development team to put it in production. And the whole process can take at least a year or even more in most cases. But with us, the difference is that the agronomy expert or the data scientist can pick and drop the modules that are most relevant in this use case, and even in fact adapt or even customize them with their own data set and with their own knowledge, and quickly develop approaches and solutions that could work, test them internally, but also in pilots. And when they have something that is working, they can very easily industrialize it through our API within a matter of actually a few days. So that is the difference that we are trying to provide to agriculture businesses. And the difference in approaches is actually huge. So the companies can go from 8 months to as much as 10 days, and in fact, spending $500,000 to something as much as 25,000, which is a factor of 20 times. But in short, what I'm saying is that with our solution, the companies, agriculture businesses can get the same capabilities of using satellite imagery and enable their services and products with this technology within a matter of few months and with much less capital than what they would otherwise need, like the way companies like Bayer or Indigo Ag have done. They have spent millions of dollars to acquire companies to bring this capability in-house. We could do this for agriculture companies very quickly. And it's very simple how they pay for it. With the platform, they pay as they use. And once they industrialize it, they pay a subscription on the API. So they pay as they go. And in terms of the market, we are fully focused today in the agriculture and environmental monitoring business. And our serviceable market is most of the time in the precision agriculture market, and a lot more is coming up in the sustainable agriculture market with soil health, as well as in the carbon credit ecosystem. And in terms of competition, there are many other companies that are trying to bring this technology to businesses. But our core value is how we enable customizable solutions for businesses, and at the same time, how we are able to provide capability, the lowest path of friction to non-experts to build something from scratch. As compared to our competition, either you need an expert to use their solution, or their solutions are very rigid. So that is our core differentiation. And our team, that is, we've been very happy, very fortunate with our team. So I'm the co-founder and CEO. I bring a lot of machine learning expertise, aerospace expertise, with my co-founder, who brings commercial and financial expertise. And within us, among us, we have a very international and diverse team with expertise in Earth observation, machine learning, and software development. And with this team, we have been very quickly able to monitor over 2.5 million acres with more than 10 different companies across 10 different countries. And today, what we are doing is we are right now building our platform to enable more of such solutions, so that more companies can benefit from this technology. And our goal is to have a modular platform ready to be used by the end of this year, with focus in agriculture. And for that, we are looking to raise a seed round beginning next quarter. And our goal at the end of the day is to have a solution where in the next 5 years, anytime any organization thinks of satellite data, they should think of SpaceSense platform to build it. So that's our goal, and that's my pitch. Thank you.